Are you sensitive to taste, textures of food, bright lights, loud sounds, crowded spaces, and the negative energy of certain people? I promise you this episode is going to help you de-stress your life. Hi, I'm Bo Sebastian, your stress relief coach. I also know that my acute sensitivities have a name. I am a sensory defensive person. This mental and physical state is usually diagnosed by great sensitivities to taste, lights, sound, and crowds. Someone who is sensory defensive can feel like the world is bombarding him or her with too much of just about every sense. Do you often find things wrong with your food at a restaurant? Do you have to wear a mask at department stores because the perfumes give you migraines? These sensitivities may also carry into your heart as well, where you can feel other people's energy whenever they walk into a room. This empathic feeling, which initially makes life frustratingly too much of just about everything, may also enhance your life. It has mine. If you've been following my YouTube channel, you know that anxiety and fight or flight chemicals in the body can affect your entire day with a rapid heartbeat, a muddled mind, and a sour stomach. What you may not have known, with this diagnosis, your senses think they must fight to defend you from being overloaded, which causes the same fight or flight chemicals to secrete in your body. I am a sensory defensive person and have been living on the fringe of my anxiety garden for a long time. An empathic life can be lonely at first. Mine was. At first, I assumed that everyone's senses were like mine. Who doesn't? However, I realized quickly when people called me too sensitive that perhaps I may be different. Being teased and goaded can make anyone put up his guard. This can also isolate you. As I have matured, I realize that being different isn't so bad. I'm unique with certainty. My overactive senses have led me to be a good musician, able to hear pitch. They have caused me to be a great cook by understanding the nuance of seasonings. Also, they've helped me aid others because I can often sense what others feel. There is a great book that can teach you volumes about this issue. It's called Too Loud, Too Bright, Too Fast, Too Tight. What to Do If You're Sensory Defensive in an Overstimulating World by Sharon Heller. Maybe you know someone who's sensory defensive, or maybe you are sensory defensive and you've often wondered what to do about this issue. Trust me, the sensitivity is not something that goes away. In fact, most sensory defensive people get even more sensitive with age. Learning how to deal with these sensitivities can help anyone release stress and anxiety in a huge way. This is why I created the zeroing out technique to help people just like you. Listen, today for only $1.99, even before the paperback comes out in stores, you can get the Kindle edition of my latest book, From 10 to Zen, De-Stress Your Life with the Zeroing Out Technique. This is complete with private videos of the technique that you will have access to 24/7. For $1.99, you can easily get this book delivered to your phone or your computer just by clicking in the Kindle store at Amazon. The link is in the comments or transcript below. Remember, buy it between December 2023 and the end of February 2024. You will save $20 from the cover price of the paperback if you get this book now in Kindle for $1.99. And if you're Kindle Unlimited member, the cost is $0 today. I asked the publisher to make this book absolutely affordable for my friends and family. This is your chance to change your mind and change your life. This extreme discount will not last long. Get your Kindle today.